Good morning, everyone. This is Professor Pallavi Agrawal from R.C. Patel Institute of Technology, Shirpur, Computer Department. As in the last video, we have seen about introduction of artificial intelligence. Now we'll be seeing about intelligent agent. So basically, you might be thinking, what is an agent? An agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. We have probably seen the agents in the form of humans and robotics. If you think about human agents, eyes, nose, different organs which are sensed like hands, legs, mouths, and other parts of body for actuators. While robotic agents, these are cameras and infrared range finders for sensors, various motors for actuators, and so on. We use the term percept to refer to the agent's perception input at any given instance. An agent's perception sequence is the complete history of anything that agent have ever perceived. In general, an agent's choice of action at any given instance can depend on the entire perceived sequence observed to date. An agent's behavior is described by the agent function that maps any given perceived sequence to an action. The agent function for an artificial agent will be implemented by an agent program. It is important to keep these two ideas distinct. The agent function is an abstract mathematical description, while the agent program is a uh, concrete implementation running on the agent architecture. Now we will be seeing how the agent and environment work with each other. As we know that agent is something which perceives or sense the situation or some problem from the environment. It perceives from the environment and accordingly it works on it, in which sensor plays an important role, and accordingly he acts or reacts, and that action is being given to the environment. This is another simple diagram of AI agent, that how agent acts with the environment and how different percepts are being done. Now we are going to see vacuum cleaner world. It is also known as toy problem, because as we know that AI is a very vast syllabus or very vast concept. This is a very small problem, but as it is a basic, it will be easy for you to understand. In this, there are four key components or elements. The very first one is environment, that where vacuum cleaner is being placed. Here we have taken two rooms, that is A and B. Whether that rooms are dirty or clean. Agent, then agent's capabilities, action. The agent can perform action like moving right, left, or sucking the dust. Then perception, the agent has sensors to perceive its location and whether the current location is clean or dirty. The next key element, that is problem. The goal of any vacuum cleaner is that both the rooms that are A and B should be clean. There should be no dirt in the environment. Then initial state, your vacuum cleaner should be in a initial state, whether it is in location A or B. Then states, there are different possible states, whether your vacuum cleaner is at location A or B. Then whether your location A is clean, whether your B is dirty, or both the rooms are dirty. These are the different states in which your agent can be. Then transmission model. This defines how action changes the state of the world. Then problem solving. The vacuum cleaner problem is often used to demonstrate search algorithms and how they find the most efficient sequence of actions paths to reach the goal state. The path cost is a common performance measure. Now we'll see how a state space graph is being generated. Here are the different possible 8 states where your vacuum cleaner can be, and how the location, or if your vacuum cleaner is at different stage, what next action you should perform. It give you the detail in this diagram. Uh, Here figure first, that is 2.2, shows you a vacuum cleaner world with just two locations, and figure 2.3 shows the partial tabulation of a simple agent function for the vacuum cleaner world, which is shown in figure 2.2. Thank you.